In this video, I'll show you how to remove Copilot from your Windows 11. First of all, you need to go to the Start menu, and then you need to go to your Windows settings. Just write settings in the search and open your Windows settings. Then go to the apps, and right here, go to the installed apps. Then you need to search for Copilot, and you need to delete these two files, Copilot and Microsoft 365 Copilot. You need to click these three dots right here, then uninstall, and you need to uninstall both files. After you have done this, then you need to click the Start menu again, and you need to go to the Registry Editor. Just write Registry Editor in the search and open it. And then you need to open the drop-down menu under the H key current user, and then you need to scroll down until you will see policies, which is right here. You need to scroll this menu down, then click the arrow next to policies. After that, you need to right click on the Windows, then click new and create the key. After that, you need to write exactly the same thing, Windows Copilot, and don't forget to use capital W and C. Then click on Enter, double click on this new folder right here, and then you need to right click on anywhere in the blank space and then click on New, and then you need to create the word 32 value. And you need to name it Turn Off Windows Copilot, and don't forget to use capital T, capital O, capital W, and capital C. After that, you need to double click on this file we just created, and we need to change the value to 1 and click OK. So once you've done that, you can restart your Windows and you will remove the Copilot from your device. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.